Everybody, it's Hey Jon, jabbering opportunities nonstop, and today we're going to uncover AMC and Dogecoin. This will be the evening update to see what's going down with AMC and Dogecoin. So let's go ahead and get to it and see it. Okay. What's up, everybody? Welcome one, welcome all. I hope everyone is having a phenomenal day. It's very hot, and stay cool and hydrated. Let's go ahead and get to the charts now, huh? Yes, sir. So AMC, let's see how AMC did today. How did AMC fare today, right? All right, let's see. So AMC, let's see, open at 56.14. The low of the day was 51.86. The high of the day is 57.34. And the close is 55.18. So this means that we opened high, we sold off, and then we popped back up. But we ended the day, we ended the day at a lower price in the open. So for AMC, that isn't necessarily a bullish sign, but it is bullish in a sense where it dipped down and folks bought it almost instantly. So that's very good.
For graduations.
So in my opinion, that is very good for AMC, right? Because had we just saw a dip and no buyback and just stayed on there the whole day, then to me, that tells me that is a ton of weakness. So even though I am seeing some weakness here at AMC, to me, this is more of a pullback than anything else, because people clearly bought the dip around 51.86 and above, right? From 51.86 to about $55 from our price range. All the bulls came in real quick and they bought everything up right there. So to me, 51 to about $55 is a pretty good buying zone right there. So that tells me the bulls believe in a dip here, and the AMC bulls are not leaving. But you have to be aware. You have to be aware that there are tons of day traders currently in AMC, and what do day traders do? Well, they create liquidity. What is liquidity? Well, basically when they buy and sell a ton of times here, you can enter and exit the trade very easily without having to get a crazy trade or a crazy price. So that's a very good thing. But at the same token, the reason why it's bad is because day traders are just doing that. They're just day trading AMC. They aren't necessarily bullish or bearish on it. They're just day trading it to make a quick buck. So for a long-term, diamond hands, they could be seeing some headwinds due to this. And as you know, if you're a day trader, you have no allegiance to the bears or bulls. If the trend is going down, you're going to sell it down harder. If the trend is up, you're going to buy it even harder. So definitely things to be aware of if you're an AMC holder, okay? I just wanted to throw out that tidbit in case folks didn't know. So let's see on the 4 hour here, right? All right, so the 4 hour is showing a little bit of a different story because it's combining different hours here. So let's skip it today and go into the 1 hour instead to get a better view. All right, so what happened here? At around 6 a.m. here, right? You saw it open around $55 and it sold off all the way down to $57.77. And then for the next 2 hours, it sold off again here until $51.87. And then from there, you saw the bulls started to come in here to buy that dip to push the price back up there. So we saw some weakness for the first 3 or 4 hours of the day for AMC, and then it started to rise back up here. So this is very healthy and very good in my opinion. I wouldn't be too concerned with this right now, honestly. I still think AMC can do well overall because even though they did a pullback, in my opinion, that's healthy because you want to see pullbacks as you go up. You don't just want to see, you don't want to see a straight rocket, because if you see a straight rocket, then eventually you're gonna see a straight rocket down as well. So when you see these little pullbacks as it's going up, you're seeing healthy consolidation, and you're seeing people come back in to buy it as well, and it shows strength. And when people see that, they will continue to buy the dips, okay? As you can see on the Agora ribbon here, it's still green. All right, it is still green. And the bulls today didn't get near the ribbon. Yesterday, it did get to the ribbon and it went through it. Today, it got close to it and it started bouncing up there. So this tells me the AMC bulls are very strong and they are here to stay. So if you're ahead, G, you may lose your shirt, pants, and undies soon. But who knows, right? Because again, when I see the short interest data, I always think to myself, you know what? I take it with a grain of salt because the data isn't live and it's very easy, right? Very easy for the hedge funds to manipulate that data. So always take it with, in my opinion, okay? Purely my opinion, when you see those kind of data, take it with a grain of salt. I'm not trying to spread FUD or discourage anyone, but I am giving the rationale behind it as well. So if you agree, fantastic. If you don't, no worries. Either which way, it's all good. So let's see here. So what this means is that tomorrow, most likely the bulls will test 60.58 again. And tomorrow, I suspect the AMC bulls will break above 60.58 and break out of it because we're seeing a higher low unfold. So this tells me overall, today was a dip buy opportunity if you want to reload your bags here. Alrighty then, so you know what? We're done with AMC. Let's go ahead and go into our beloved Dogecoin now, okay? So again, tomorrow, watch out for 60.58, okay? If tomorrow can break 60.58, the next resistance is gonna be at about 64.68. All right, once it cracks that, then I would say 67.21 will be on deck. But let's try to be a little realistic here, okay? I don't think it'll go that fast, that far, but as you know, AMC can do wild things, and just be aware of it. Alrighty then, let's go to Dogecoin now. Dogecoin, baby. What's up, Dogecoin? Alrighty then, whoa. So check out Dogecoin here. Check it out. Okay, so yesterday, well, let me go to daily first here. All right, let's go to the Dogecoin, baby. Let's check it out. All right, I want to see how my puppy's doing today. My Dogecoin puppy, how are you? I miss you. Why are you being a bad Doge, huh? All right, you can see on daily here, the Agora ribbon is increasing now. So it's currently at 24.39. Yesterday was about, I think, about 24.19. So it's still continuing to rise up and it's still good. Okay, and I did say the other day to watch out for the Agora reaction ribbon when it gets around to the current candlestick, because when it gets around there, you want to see Dogecoin pop off that trend mark. Okay, you don't want to see Dogecoin go through it, and you don't want to see Dogecoin hang around there. You want to see a nice bounce. So of course, it'll take some time before we get there, but just be aware of that, all right, as we go along here. So you can see on a daily here, we're still trending down on this downward trend that I drew for you guys, I think a day or two ago or something by now. So Dogecoin is still trading sideways and still trading in a downward trend. As you know, that is no bueno, but you know what? When you see these kind of things here, and when you see this kind of a trend and you believe in Dogecoin long term, all you gotta say to yourself is, you know what? All I see is dip buying opportunities. And by no means, I always say nibble and don't bite, but most importantly, I do not give financial advice. I merely show and share what I think. I always encourage everyone to do their own due diligence. Yeah, man, and I've been streaming Dogecoin, right? Even though Dogecoin is going down like crazy, and the Dogecoin crowd has left other places, but yet, Hey Jon is still here streaming Dogecoin. So I'll tell you, man, I'm still a believer here, right? I'm still a believer. Though I wonder, I wonder if other YouTubers are still streaming Dogecoin as much anymore. I don't know, I haven't checked. I should probably check after the video today. I should probably check and look around. I don't know though. But I suspect many other YouTubers probably left already to greener pastures. But I will still continue to cover Dogecoin until I see the price I want. So it may be for many, many years to come, apparently. So let's get back to Dogecoin now, okay? Alrighty then, so let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour time frame, it's more evident now here, right? That we're still trading in a downward trend, you can see here. All right. Let's see here. So again, Dogecoin is getting near. Dogecoin is still getting near the upward trend here, about 31.3. So watch out for that, okay? 31.3. Watch out for that right there. That could be a resistance, and most likely we will probably back that off it and pull back. So yesterday I was saying, you know, maybe a dip buying opportunity, maybe around 306. But as you know, it's a very narrow trading range. So day trading profits will be very narrow. And make sure if you're day trading this or you're swing trading this, please make sure it's a very short-term trade here, because as you know, the trend is currently bearish and the trend's your friend, okay? So don't go against it, all right? because then if you go against it, your day trade may turn into a swing trade, and then your swing trade may turn into a long-term investment. So just be aware of those kind of things here. You know, I've been there before as well, and my day trade turning into a swing trade and into a little miniature investment. So this is one of those things, okay? All right. So on the 1 hour here, okay, cool. On the 1 hour, it's very evident here, very evident. And of course, if Dogecoin can break above the 313 downward trend line, then I would say the next resistance will be at around 318. That's currently where the Agora reaction ribbon is at currently. So I suspect even if we're able to break out of it, you may see a rejection off there, right? I don't really see any fundamental catalyst for Dogecoin recently. So if it does bounce, just be aware that it's probably gonna be a short bounce, because there's no news to kind of, I guess, pump it up here. So I guess the real thing here is, I suppose we're waiting for Elon Musk to up a tweet or something, or some kind of a new catalyst going on. I'm not too sure exactly what catalyst will coming out. I mean, we've seen Doge rocket for next year. We've seen Coinbase. I mean, we've literally seen every single catalyst we can get for Dogecoin. The next one I see coming is probably going to be Elon Musk accepting a Dogecoin for Teslas. But beyond that, I mean, at this point, it's going to be a hard work and hard grind. So I encourage everyone to make sure you guys smash the like button so I can do my part and share these videos out with more people so we can get more Dogecoin investors. So do your part by tapping the like button, okay? Let's see here. Alrighty then, so let's check it out here. Yep, we're still trending down, no bueno. Let's go check the 15-minute chart now. All right, let's see, on the 15-minute chart, we're still trending down very, very much here, right? And on the 15-minute, now we're seeing the Agora reaction ribbon, the Agora ribbon come down as well. So I definitely don't think Dogecoin will be going too hot anytime soon. I mean, I sure hope so, but I just don't see it though. So, but of course, make sure you guys, of course, make sure if you guys believe in your investment here, you like these videos and you share it out with people here, because the thing is that we need to educate people. When you educate people, they are more likely to invest into it if they understand what it is. Now, if they don't know what it is right here, right, they are less likely to invest into it, and they are more likely to just be a day trader or just overlook it and not even bother with it. So if you care about your Dogecoin investment, you want to make sure you like and share these videos, and also subscribe as well, so I come online for a live stream, you know what's coming down. All right, so as far as temporary support and resistance goes, all right, a support will be around 305. A resistance will be around 314. The next one, in my opinion, will be 319, and then 3289. Those will be your support and resistances, depending on where the candlesticks are. Okay. So it was a ton of fun today to cover this with you guys. So I covered AMC and Dogecoin. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I will catch you all on next one. All right, take care and goodbye, and stay hydrated. My God, it is